Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Energize, an app produced by Glynn Kosky. So Energize helps you convert built-in free buyer traffic into leads and four-figure commissions fast. Okay guys, before I go any further, kindly click the bell icon for notification, leave a comment and click the like, share, subscribe button down below. So what are some of the benefits of this app Energize? I'm going to take you guys to the sales page. Let's see what these guys are saying about this app. So Glenn is saying today that Energize is the world's first high-ticket elite commission app for 2021. So in 60 seconds flat, you clone the automated high-ticket commission system with free buyer traffic from over 400 million visitors. And these are some of the benefits. So it's designed for beginners, as newbies, brand new tech for 2021. You work from home starting today and can achieve financial freedom, can quit your job, travel, and enjoy life. You can also, and it's saying that it's also a 180-day money back guarantee. So guys, 180 days isn't a joke. So if you grab it and it's something you do not like, you can be refunded. That's what he is saying pretty much. So guys, I have shown you what he says are the advantages or the benefits you can get from this app. So this is what some of the expert marketers are saying about the app. Jack is saying that I'll read, have always struggled to get traffic until I got my hands on Energize. Thanks for putting together this epic software. I have only been using it for a few days and have already received 10,329 visitors and made over $2,038. Great work, guys. So that is from one of the users of the app. Let's see. Glenn today has also added some bonuses to this pack if you buy it. And also guys, remember, apart from his own bonuses today, I also have added 5 of mine. So basically you'll be getting think almost 9 bonuses today once you grab, even if it is just the front end of this pack that you are purchasing. So I'm trying to take you guys to his bonuses. Okay, the first one says, plus purchase your license now to get this monetization bonuses worth thousands. So the first bonus is $2,000 per day instant commission strategy, and the bonus is actually worth $997. But today you'll be getting this for free. And the second one is make affiliate sales in 60 seconds. The worth of this is $997. And the third bonus is $100 per hour ClickBank affiliate check, which is worth $497. The fourth one is $5 million secret internet blueprint, and the value is worth $497. So guys, that is, and then he has a mega special exclusive. This is for the first 100 customers and is worth, the real world value is $3,997, but it will be absolutely free if you are among the first 100 that got this app. So what is this app? It says it says get access to the auto commission suite. This bonus alone will literally change your life instantly. So you make thousands per hour with this secret automated commission suite. So guys, enough about the sales page. I'm going to take you guys now. You already have seen 5 bonuses that he has added. So plus mine is going to make it 10, guys. This is huge. So let's talk about my bonuses today. But remember, don't forget to click on the link that is in the description box below. And if you click on it, it brings you to this page. And if you're buying through Warrior Plus, it is going to show you something like this. All you need to do is to click on the blue app button right there. And then my bonuses will be added. If it's through JV Zoo, click where you see the red arrow. that box right there, my bonuses will be added. So I have 5 bonuses today. So the first one is worth $427.95, and you have access to online entrepreneur. And then the second one is a collection of done for you funnels to monetize, and is worth $46.95. And the third one is $344.95. You have access to Jonas Headlines Hack. Jonas Headlines Hack. And then the fourth one, you have access to Atomic Done for You, and is worth $267. The fifth one is $197. Of course, you have access to all vendor bonuses. Guys, remember, we are thankful today we're thankful to Jonah Armstrong today for the bonuses that he has made available for us. Thank you, and a round of applause for Jonah Armstrong. Okay, so guys, that's about it for the bonuses. Now I'll take you guys to the upsells and then the prizes. So about the front end, it is the front end is $17. You have access to the software and training modules, of course. Then the upsell one, which is the unlimited version, is $67. The 2 is the done for you, which is $97. Actually, the upsell 2 and 3 is $97, but the 2 is done for you, and then the 3 is the unlimited traffic. The upsell 4 is $67, which is the automation. The upsell 5 and 6 is $197, but for 5 is the ATM, the 6 is the ultimate, and then the 7 is the license rights, which is $67. And guys, that's about it about the prices and the upsell. I'll talk to you guys about some of the key benefits you may be interested in getting today. And basically that's it. Let's go quickly into the this is the members area. So I'm going to give you a demo of how this app really works. So if you purchase and you log in, this is what you get. So this is the dashboard. If you click on it, this is what you see, guys. So you can see this is purchase membership levels depending on which pack that you are getting, the pro, the unlimited, the done for you, and all of that. And then you have loads of videos. This is the welcome video. And then we also have the tutorials. Let's see. Okay, so if you click on tutorials, you find tons of videos right here. These are the video tutorials, how to set it up, the integration, the social sharing, the delivery, the campaigns. So about the campaign, it says in this video we'll show you how you can create the app, how you can use the app to create additional affiliate marketing campaigns. And then this other one is about the upgrades and bonus builder, and then traffic strategies. You know, you have 3 different lessons on traffic strategy, actually 4. Okay guys, that's about it. And then click on your campaign, and then you see all the campaigns, the ones published and unpublished right here. This is what it looks like, and you can sort using campaign title or type. Okay, and then that's about it. And then the upgrades, if you need help, click on that button right there where the option says help, and then ask your questions or leave a comment. Somebody will attend to you guys. So basically that's just what it is. There isn't much on this interface, guys. So remember, we have 10 bonuses today that comes with this pack. All you need to do is to grab through my link that is in the description box below. Click on it, it takes you to my page, and then my bonuses will be added in conjunction with the 5 that Glynn has already added to this pack today. So guys, that's all I have to offer you guys today. Hopefully this resonates with you or with someone you know. Please do not forget to click the like, share, subscribe button down below, leave a comment, and also the bell icon for notifications of upcoming videos as well. Thank you guys for sticking with me and for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks and bye.